Hi everyone. In this lesson, we will deploy our to-do list application to GitHub Pages. After deploying, you can share your work with the world. As you know, the app was created using Vite frontend tooling. I prepared a short guide in my README file. I'll push it with the code to GitHub and you can check it if needed. Now I'm going to follow the guide and push and deploy my code. As you can see, the first item is create a GitHub account and install Git. If you don't have a GitHub account, sign up and install Git on your computer. The second point is create a new repository. And I opened my browser, signed in into my GitHub account, and now I'm going to create a new repository by pressing a new button. And I need to provide repository name. It will be to-do list and make it public. And now I can press create repository. And as you can see, Git proposed me commands, and now I'm going to run them one by one. And the first command git init, and I need to open terminal and run this command git init. And the next command is git add, and I'm going to add all files that I have in repository. And the next command git commit, and I'll change the commit message like to do list up. The next command is to create a new main branch. Okay, I'm in the main branch, and now I can add remote at origin. And the next command will be git push. Okay, the changes were pushed, and we have our code inside the repository. Now I can decrease this terminal size, and the next command is configure the Vite config.js file. And I need to add base and provide my repository name and place it in Vite config.js. And base and my repository name is to-do list, as we said during the creating the repository. Okay, I have base, and the next install GitHub Pages. Just run command npm install GitHub Pages inside dev dependencies, and they should be installed. And the next step is update package.json, provide homepage. I need to place it inside my package.json, and as you can see, GitHub Pages are installed, and we have dependency inside our package.json. And I'm going to add homepage, and it will be just, I can just copy paste this from my browser, or you can write it manually. And the next step, okay, I have read, and I need to add comma here. And the next step, add pre-deploy and deploy script to package.json. Just add this commands to script to my script. We have several scripts, and I'm going to add 2 more. Okay, we have our commands, and the next step, just run deploy. And let me run this command, npm run deploy. I'm going to increase the size. And as you can see, build was started and it's finished. And we have our code published. And let's check what I have. I'm going to open actions. And as you can see, we have active action. And process was started. And I can push my changes to the main branch, git add all, and provide some commit message, git commit message add deploy config, and just push git push. And the changes should be pushed to the main branch. And we have our build and deploy. And as you can see, everything was green. And I can open my link. And we have our to-do list application available online. And you can share this link. I'll provide this link to my video description, and you can check it. And you can do it with any application. And the application that was created with Vite, and you can upload the code and share it. And one more thing, that you can go to settings and check default branch inside GitHub pages. We have pages, and you can, as you can see, branch was changed to GitHub pages, and we can deploy from that branch. If you want a fully automated process, you probably need to create some action and add workflow on push, but it is more complex solution. And for small applications, you can just use this approach that I demonstrate. That's all that I have. If you like the video, subscribe to my DevWeb App channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.